Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to get 5-star stickers on Monopoly Go. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick it to the very end so you don't miss a single detail. So here are a few things that we can go ahead and do for us to be able to get 5-star stickers. First off is, once that you have reached a certain level, you should be able to see some more events right here. So as you can see, we have one right here called Bank Heist on the top, and we have this deal on the top left. There are also some seasonal events which you can go ahead and check, which usually consists of some form of leaderboard. And with that, go ahead and check if you're able to obtain a 5-star sticker by reaching the top or becoming number 1 in that leaderboard on the current seasonal event. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go into our album right here, and say for example, let's take a look at this snowed in section right here. You can see that some of them, like Binge Watching or Scotty's Fort, is a 5-star card. All you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this, and there is actually a Facebook or Meta group which allows you to go ahead and ask others if they already or if they have any duplicates of this. So just go ahead and join the group right here, and then go for some form of trading or swapping with another player. And finally, the last thing that we can go ahead and do is, you should be able to see a save right here on the bottom right. So go ahead and click on this. Now once that you have reached a certain level, you should be able to unlock all of these vaults right here. But if you take a look at the one on the bottom, this one has cards where we have one that is a 5-star card where you're able to obtain a minimum of 1 5-star card. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.